Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix TikTok not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have restart TikTok app on your iPhone. If TikTok is not working on your iPhone or the app is not responding on your iPhone, it can be due to some minor in-app glitches. Additionally, when an app is left suspended or continues to run in the background during the iOS update, the app may get corrupted or crash. After the update has been installed, you need to not worry about this problem can be easily quickly when you quite reopen the app. So make sure to try this method in the first place. It is simple, quick and work well for many tech problems. So then you have while using the app, then you have double home tab click, then you have removed, then restart, open the app. Then second solution, you have restart your iPhone. TikTok not working problem is restart your iPhone. It will wipe off a minor software glitches, system error, and then other minor issues in stack up over the time interfere with the normal functioning of your iPhone app. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart, then your problem will be fixed. Third solution, you have check internet connection. We all know that you use TikTok or any other online service, you must have active connection. TikTok might work very slowly on your iPhone, randomly stops working on your iPhone. Therefore, TikTok is not loading, not playing video, or the app takes forever to launch on your iPhone. You must check your internet connection. Then fourth solution, update iOS. If you have updated TikTok or already using a latest version and still TikTok is not loading videos on your iPhone or stop working as random at times, to update iOS to its latest version. Since software bugs and glitches on your iPhone most common reasons for TikTok not working, it is nice idea to update iOS. Open the setting, click on general, scroll app, then you have click on software update. iOS latest version is available, so must be installed. The last solution, you have delete and reinstall the TikTok app. You have delete from here, then uh, reinstall from App Store on your iPhone. If the TikTok service are not down or updated the TikTok app, but it is still crashes or becomes unresponsive on your iPhone, you must delete and reinstall the app. It can be possible that a software file within the app has been corrupted and causing performance issues. Even worse, sometimes the application itself can get corrupted completely and hence too cannot work properly. The best way to deal with such completions is to uninstall and then reinstall from the latest version on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.